Imagine waking up today and finding out your body is suddenly as soft as giant noodles. Without any hard bones inside you, you would just collapse into a big puddle on the floor. You could not stand up, run fast, or even eat a crunchy snack because your jaw would be totally squishy. Luckily, you have a strong skeleton that keeps your amazing body standing tall. Did you know that most creatures on our big planet do not have bones at all? These boneless wonders are called invertebrates, and they make up about 97% of all living animals. That means humans, dogs, and birds belong to a very small, exclusive club of animals with backbones. Scientists call us vertebrates because we have a column of hard bones protecting our spinal cords. Think of your backbone like a sturdy internal tent pole that holds everything up perfectly. It is made of small bones called vertebrae that link together so you can bend, twist, and jump. These bones are not just for standing, they also protect your most important organs inside. Your hard ribs act like a strong cage for your heart, and your skull guards your smart brain. Now, let us look at the other side, where things get really weird and wonderful. Invertebrates like jellyfish, spiders, and octopuses do not have a single bone inside their soft, flexible bodies. How do they even move around without a frame to support them? Well, many invertebrates have a different trick called an exoskeleton, which is like wearing a tough suit of shiny armor. Imagine if your skin was actually a hard shell that you lived inside of every day. Crabs and beetles use these tough outer layers to stay safe from hungry predators and harsh weather. But having an exoskeleton comes with a huge problem as the animal grows bigger. Since the hard shell cannot grow, the animal must crack it open and crawl out completely naked and vulnerable. This process is called molting, and it is extremely dangerous for the little creature. They have to hide in dark spots until their new, larger shell hardens enough to protect them once again. Other invertebrates, like the clever octopus, have no shell at all, making them ultimate escape artists. They can squeeze their entire bodies through tiny holes no bigger than a small, shiny silver coin. Because they lack bones, invertebrates can reach places that vertebrates like us could never imagine. An octopus can hide inside a narrow bottle or slide through a thin crack in an underwater rock. Let us talk about the mighty vertebrates again, because we have some pretty cool advantages too. Our internal skeletons grow right along with us, so we never have to shed our skin like insects. Having bones allows vertebrates to grow to massive sizes that would crush a soft invertebrate. Think about the giant blue whale, the largest animal to ever live, swimming deep in the cold ocean. Without a strong backbone and massive ribs, a blue whale's heavy organs would be crushed by its own weight. Bones are the secret reason why huge elephants can walk across the dry savanna. Vertebrates are usually much faster and stronger over long distances than most small invertebrates. Our bones provide a solid place for powerful muscles to attach, acting like levers to move us very quickly. Whether it is a cheetah sprinting across the grass or a hawk diving from the sky, bones provide the power. They turn muscle energy into fast motion that helps animals hunt or escape danger. However, being a vertebrate is not always easy because bones can actually be quite heavy. Flying birds had to evolve special hollow bones that are super light so they can take off easily. If a bird had heavy, solid bones like a cow, it would stay stuck on the ground forever. Evolution found a way to keep the strength while losing the weight for those feathery flyers. Now, let us dive into some truly mind-blowing facts about the tiny world of invertebrates. Did you know that some ants can lift objects that are 50 times heavier than their own tiny bodies? That would be like you lifting a whole school bus over your head with just one hand. Their exoskeletons are incredibly strong for their size, providing amazing leverage for those tiny, busy leg muscles. Here's another wow factor that will make your skin crawl in a very cool way. A common garden snail has thousands of tiny, microscopic teeth located right on its soft, slimy, little pink tongue. Even though they look soft and helpless, invertebrates have survived on Earth for millions of years. They were here long before the dinosaurs, and they will likely be here long after we are gone.
In fact, if you gathered every single insect on Earth, they would weigh more than all the humans combined. There are quintillions of these small creatures crawling, flying, and buzzing all around us right now. Most people think vertebrates are the kings of the world, but we're actually outnumbered. For every one human, there are about 200 million insects living their busy lives on our planet.
Even in the deep, dark ocean, invertebrates rule the mysterious waters with strange shapes. The giant squid can grow as long as a bus, but still does not have a single bone inside. It uses a hard beak like a parrot to eat its food, while the rest of its body stays flexible. This allows it to survive the crushing pressure of the deep sea, where bones might snap. But here is a mystery that keeps top scientists scratching their heads in total confusion. Why did some animals evolve to have bones while others stayed squishy for hundreds of millions of long years? We still do not fully understand the exact moment when the first tiny creature developed a backbone. It is a giant puzzle in the history of life that we are still trying to solve today. Another mystery is how some invertebrates, like the immortal jellyfish, can literally reset their lives. When they get old or sick, they turn back into babies and start their whole life cycle over. Scientists are studying these boneless wonders to see if we can learn their secrets of long life. Imagine if humans could just hit a reset button and become a young toddler again whenever we wanted. As we explore the world, we keep finding new creatures that blur the lines between these groups. Some fish have skeletons made entirely of soft cartilage, just like the flexible stuff inside your own nose. Are they true vertebrates if their bones are not hard? Nature loves to break the rules and keep us guessing with strange designs that challenge everything we think we know about the animal kingdom. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics or ideas you want to see next. See ya!